Hey, John Adams Academy Band. Of course, it's Mr. Everts. I'm recording this on today, which is, I believe, September the 25th, Thursday. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. Just some updates coming up. Now we're getting busy. Monday, for the 7th and 8th graders, it's your first theory quiz. And this has been scheduled since the beginning of school, so it's not a surprise. Just a reminder for that, you get to use your notes. 10 questions, 10 minutes. You get to use your notes. That is coming up on Monday. October the 6th is for all the scholars that are in band. We have practice record sheets, which again will always be on the description of every video sent home. So please print out the practice sheets. 7th and 8th graders, it's 10% of your grade. You better get it done. 5th and 6th graders, Mrs. Everts and I have bought you small gifts, and you got to turn in your sheet, and then I pull out your sheet, and you get a small gift of thanks for being in band. That's for the 5th and 6th graders. 7th and 8th graders and the 9th grader, well, really 7th and 8th. We have a 9th grader too. They're taking band. Again, we want to have a high school band. 7th and 8th graders, remember it's part of your grade. No stickers. Just A's. All right, so there's that. September the 29th, quiz. October the 6th, practice sheet. October the 9th, may be a first in our Academy's history. A band taught by a teacher is playing at a basketball game. 8th grade girls basketball game. October the 9th, 4 p.m. 4 p.m., There's only one team coming from Colfax. Therefore, we are going to start the game at 4 p.m. This is for intermediate band, 4 p.m. So make sure you have enough food to eat, good snack after school. Game should get done between 5 and 5:15. So there'll be no dinner per se. There's no dinner. So make sure you have snacks. It's October the 9th, Thursday, October the 9th, Thursday, October the 9th, intermediate band. Love to see beginning bands kids there, though, so you can see what it's like to see a band at a game. I want to make this a thing for the middle schools in the future. We'll do one girls game and we'll do one boys game. And then hopefully we'll get some kids staying for high school and have a high school band play at the high school games. It's my own personal goal. High school band. All right, and then October the 11th, our first, it's called an inaugural. You don't have a first annual. The inaugural Skip Bow tournament for band. Skip Bow's a really fun card game. Go search Skip Bow and see what it's about. We have $100 gift cards for the winner. We have a $100 gift card for you. Come on now, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. That's also in the description of today's video. And we've sent it out numerous times, Parent Square. We've done what we can. The sign-ups to be a part of it are a little low. We need to get uniforms for the high school band. So please, Skip Bow, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Invite a friend. I'm attempting to have some fundraisers that are for the kids and parents, therefore families, because I think it's important to see families together playing cards. I think it's really fun. Might seem old-fashioned, but I think it's fun. One more time, September the 9th, quiz for the 7th and 8th graders. October 6th, all the scholars, you need to turn in your practice record sheets. October the 9th, Thursday, is our first ever band playing at a athletic event. And then, of course, and that's at 4 o'clock. And then October the 11th, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. is our inaugural Skip Bow. We do have a parent meeting, too. I'd love to see you show up for the parent meeting, please. October the 8th. Please show up for the parent meeting, October 8th, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And those dates will be in the description of today's video and every video that is sent out. As far as the update overall, almost all the kids have their instrument and their book. I would encourage them. We've had several scholars forget to bring their books or forget to bring their instrument. It happens, but the less it happens, the better chance we have at getting better. So we'd like to see that. Love the communication, though. The communication's been great. Seriously, awesome. Questions being asked, Maybe once in a while, a pat on the back. Maybe once in a while, not a pat on the back. But no, it's going well, and I appreciate that. I hope these videos are helpful. I try to make them between 5 and 7 minutes. All right. I hope to see you at the Skip Bow card tournament, October the 11th from 10 to 12. And again, parent meeting on Wednesday the 8th of October. All right. I think that's about it. Your children are beautiful. I love them. They are blessings from God. Please, let's work together to make them great American citizens. Bye.